So guys, first welcome to my channel and come to this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download and driver. You can check your motherboard warranty and all. Then you can see here search button and paste your type your model number which is required the driver B850M Eagle Wi-Fi 6E ICE and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click on the title which is model number. Then click to support. Then guys, select your operating system which is you using. If you have Windows 10, no worry about that. You can see this video and follow the installation process almost same, almost 100% same. So first guys, this is audio driver, you can see, and click to download. After you click download button, it will start downloading. You can see here, so it will complete. Just double click, single click this and double click to this extract audio driver. Then we wait few seconds, give to permissions to install the driver and then click to yes. Now you can see this is extracting driver from this file to your system. After that we'll restart for the downloading. So do not close this method. Now this is installing. You can see the audio driver. Then it is close automatically, means it is done. Then chipset, AMD chipset driver, and just click to download. When you click downloading, automatically start here. You can see one download in process. Then guys, click to download. This is chipset driver and just double click. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is chipset driver installing, and then close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. Then it is downloaded. Just single click to open, which is LAN driver. Double click. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. So it will close automatically, means it is done. Wait few seconds. So guys, it is close, means done. Bluetooth driver, you can see here, this is Bluetooth 8852, and click to download. And just open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Close it. VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. See Wi-Fi driver and click on that. It is completed. Just single click to open. Then yes. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. Click to yes. Now wait few seconds, it will install it.